Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another live show here on The Day Trader. Boy, what a day it's been here in the studio. All kinds of stuff been going on, and we've made some updates and some repairs and some rebuilds to accommodate all the new features, but we're here. So, anyway, if it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. And even more importantly than that, please do thumbs up the video. It really helps us grow here on YouTube. We're a brand new channel, only 2 weeks old. This is our second week now finishing, absolutely fantastic. And if you give us a good love, the thumbs up, Mr. Love will appreciate it. We trade live here every day for you. Let's go over to my live trading floor right now. This is Bitcoin. If you're over there on TikTok, as you can see, you can join us over here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Welcome, 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 everybody. What a day. We should be good now with the sound. Has everybody confirmed with me we're good? I'm sure we are. I know we are. I've tested it a million times today, so hopefully hopefully we still are. Okay, good. Right. What a day it's been on the stock market. Our second week. I've been beat up all week. I had some recoveries and then I lost out again. So boy, what a day it has been here on the stock market. So let's have a look. Where are we? As you can see, this is my portfolio here. Jonathan's Fridays. Yeah, you're good. Fantastic. That's great to hear. All right, good stuff. So we're over on the iPhone. There we go. There we are on TikTok as well, bringing in our friends. And you saw our friends come in today from Dubai and all over, and Turkey, wasn't it? So it's absolutely wonderful to see that working so well there. Great stuff. Wonderful. All right, this is the back of the studio. This is how we are live right now. And we're trying to close up the end of a week that's beaten me up quite a bit. As you can see, my portfolio is now down 49.8. It was up to 52. And let's have a look at what's doing that. We had a bit of a rally this afternoon for space. It started to pick up and then drop back again. Good afternoon, Gabrielle. How are you? Welcome. Click on the link in the profile. Join us here on YouTube. And you'll see exactly what's going on. Microsoft is up today, 0.84%. Carnival was doing great, and then it dropped back again. So the recovery is still hard to come by, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Gabriel, good afternoon. Welcome to you. Jonathan, Leah, everybody in the chat, thank you very much indeed. Give us a thumbs up. So that's what's bringing us down right now. Rolls-Royce dropped back a bit, but that's fine. I'm still up 12%. Builder, again, the same thing. Had a bit of a rally and then dropped back. Oatly, this was the one I was really concerned about. It picked up and I thought, okay, this is great. I'm doing the right thing, sticking in there. But good to see some action going on. Let's check the, expand the chart a little bit and see what happened there today. Look, you can see people were buying in. So look at that huge amount of volatility there. Huge buy-in there, and then it went down again and up again, and hello, saying to you, Leah, lovely stuff. So there we go. I'm sticking with it. I'm waiting to see what happens on Monday for the report. Hood up again today, lovely, up 7%. That makes a nice little difference. OCGN, Ocugen down a little bit, of course, down 11% on the day. Gabrielle, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lovely to see you here. So, Bitcoin, of course, big story of the day once again, up 2.5% today. Over the last hour, it's pretty flat, and over the week we're up 8%. Over the month we're up 42%. Look at that. 3 months we're down, so we're nearly up to where we were 3 months ago, which will be great because then we'll start to see these really big highs. I'm up 38% now. Good stuff. All right, there is the update of where we are today. So, Jonathan, how has it been for you? What have you been doing today? Are you still sitting tight, or you're out of McAfee now? You got into Rolls-Royce. You got into SPCE. Now we're just for me, it's a waiting game. Monday will be a very big day for me because the earning report for Oatly comes out. And hopefully it will go well for me. You can never tell. I've seen earnings reports go down and then the shares go up. You've seen earning reports go up and the shares go down. It's so hard to predict, but I've got to be in it to find out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be in it on Monday, and we'll see. I will remember that Kenneth did say to me, sell out, take a loss on it, and then look for an opportunity again. But I'm sticking with it. I'm down 16%. I'm down at end of the day, but spent the afternoon reconsolidating into the S&P 500. Good stuff. Well done. Let's see what Kenneth does. See if he comes back today and finishes the day 4 days in a row. He'll win the week. I have a bad feeling about this weekend, bro. What is your feeling? What are you feeling about this weekend? In what position are you talking about? Remember, you don't lose unless you sell down, you know. Thank God it's Friday, Martin said. Yeah, it's been quite a week, I'll tell you. Quite a week for me. We've been adding a lot. Bitcoin. A bad feeling, a Bitcoin. Well, don't say that, whatever you do. Well, you know, I could sell everything now, couldn't I? I've got 2.5. I could sell everything now. 9.5 grand. 2.5 grand profit. What makes you think it's going to crash this weekend? What makes you feel that, Jonathan? What makes you feel that? I mean, for me, my average is 33. It would have to crash a long way, wouldn't it? I get these feelings. Oh dear, don't we all? You know, I invested in it for the future. I believe in it. I mean, yeah, I could sell everything now, couldn't I? And then buy back in on Monday. It does, you know, it does make you think. Guy, good afternoon over there on TikTok. Join us. We're live here on YouTube. I am actually moving. You just can't see me, but I am actually moving. This is me. There you go. How are you? Come and join us here on YouTube. This is where the big screens are. This is where we're trading. Iffy signals. Well, look, iffy signals all the way, all the time with Bitcoin. No harm in selling, plus you'd have some cash. Yeah, I mean, you know, if I sold now, look, I'd have $9,500 in my buying power. That's the highest it's been. It's the highest I've ever had it. If it crashes and tumbles down, I can buy back in again, can't I? I have taken small profits across the board, and I'm sitting at a 10% cash position across the board. Just feeling too. It has been quiet for the past few days, but don't listen to me. I'm just venting. No. Hey, you could be right. You could be right. That's what we're here for. Each other, share each other. Martin says it's been quiet a few days. There we go. That's Martin's comment. Martin Redding. You know, you can't tell. You know, I haven't yet done any big sales. It's just constant growth at the moment. But I mean, let's think about it a minute. I've got $9,500 there. That would be great for my buying power. I could then, if I wanted to, I could buy back space, couldn't I? I could lower my averages for space. I would have some cash on hand. And then if it drops, buy back in if there's a crash. But my feeling is, look, if I sell now and I buy back in at 33, if it got that low, I'd end up in the same position, wouldn't I? Oh, if I put... No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. If I kept the profit and spent the same amount of money I put in the first place. I get it. Take 50% profits and then you're still in either way. Get some more Oatly. I'm not so sure about that. I'm not so sure about that. I think I definitely... I've got a bad feeling with Oatly, so I'm not going to... User57, good afternoon. Welcome to TikTok. How you doing? Come and join us. I'm here live on YouTube. Link is in the profile. This is our live trading now. Low blow, Jonathan. I like it. Yeah. Get some more Oatly. Yeah, right. I think I'm done with that. Who knows? Unless you work for the company, you don't know anything, do you? Robinhood is up. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, profit's profit, right? Profit is profit. There's $2,500 there. Real money. And if I realise it, 9,500, you know. The thing is, though, the fundamentals of Bitcoin hasn't changed. There is going to be Mobisi, good afternoon there over there on TikTok. Come join us. I do see that, you know, there is always volatility in all these things. You just got to go. What do you believe in? Do you believe in that Bitcoin is gonna go higher? And I do. But is it going to go up and down in between? Yeah. I've yet to learn that selling on profits like that. I'm still holding for things. Maybe it's a bad thing. I don't know. Look at Oatly. Look. I'm just about to say, I wish I knew the future. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Day Trader. How are you? Good to see you. Welcome, Eric, as well. We're live on YouTube. This is where we're trading live. Come and see us. This is the back side of me. There you go. The link's in the profile. It was not the case last time it went to 60. It was not the case last time it went to 60. What do you mean by that, Jonathan? What do you mean by that? It was not the case last time it went to 60. The resistance at 45 is huge. Yeah, I know. It's hit 45 many times, isn't it? It's all about the fun. You know, you're on about all of this. It's about the fundamentals, though, isn't it? You know. I know it's hitting 45 and it's but you know, look at the chart. You know, I mean, just pan out. Just pan out. Why? I mean, it's only where are we now? We're 2016. I mean, that's like, yeah, it goes about 5 years. Do you believe in it long term? Do you believe in it long term? And I do. Maybe it would be prudent, though, to take some profits along the way. You know, that way you protect yourself both ways, don't you? You're not getting greedy by going all out for the win. You're protecting yourself. I love Glitter Lava Lamps has just joined us over there on TikTok. Hello there. Come and join us here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. So what have you done? Also, I'd be stuck all weekend if it crashed. Why? What do you mean you'd be stuck all weekend? It trades 24/7, so you can buy in, buy out anytime you want. I'd be stuck all weekend if it crashed. It bothers me. Oh, I see. You can't get out. Oh, I see. Oh, because I've got you. Of course, you got it through an ETF. Of course, I understand. Yes, that I get that. Oh, that's completely different then. That's completely different. Hi, Ty Isabel. We're over here on YouTube. Come and join us. Oh, I get what you mean now. Yeah, that's a different situation, isn't it? It's a different situation, but the same principle applies, though. The thing is, with Bitcoin, it's so volatile. You've either got to be totally committed and totally in for the long term, hodl it as they call it, or day trading with it. Well, I've had this position now for about 2 months, and I was thinking 5 years, 10 years, and so on and so forth. I believe it's a long-term investment. I believe it's a long-term investment. That's my feeling. It may drop, but then it will come back. I think it's going to keep growing. There's too many people now adopting it. There's too many things coming into the future of it. Now I'm gonna stick with my position. I'm gonna stick with my position. Yeah. I'm gonna hold it. Yeah. Decision made. So we shall see. Tyser Bell, how are you? Nice to see you. I hear the Chinese are coming to Canada. Oh, Chinese are coming. TO's coming Canada to mine. Hang on. Mine Bitcoin. I hear the Chinese are coming to mine Bitcoin in Canada. Flipping out. You've got to be a rocket scientist to understand what that meant. I hear the Chinese are coming TO Canada to mine. Right, to Canada to mine Bitcoin. Got it. Is that right? Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much indeed, Jonathan, for filling me in with that. I was getting a bit confused there for the minute. All right. Let's have a look at some of this news around Bitcoin. Right. This is just a few hours ago. Sorry, long day. I know how you feel, mate. It's been a long day. Let's have a bit of a look at this then. Let's do some news. Once we can get rid of the... Get rid of that bloody thing. How do we get rid of that? What? Try that again. There was nowhere to exit that. That was just stuck on the screen. You were having it. There's no flipping exit for that. Really? I've got to look at that regardless. There's no way I can get around that. I've got to look at that, have I? What a load of nonsense that is. Well, we'll forget that. Oh, that's annoying. That was my Bitcoin news I wanted to read, but never mind. Let's go down here. Seek US approval to... I'm looking for some Bitcoin news. COVID vaccine booster. Disney. I'll have a look at Disney's news today. Have we got anybody still in Disney at the moment? Is anybody still trading Disney? Let me have a look at it. Disney. Disney's up 1%, been dropping down throughout the day. Right, I'm going to find this Bitcoin news because that was frustrating. I don't want to miss out. Bitcoin news. Top stories 4 hours ago. Okay, let's have a look at this. Seeing it just got harder and less profitable. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at this. Here we go.
Now to the story that has been burning up CNBC.com all week. It's about a family, the Bitcoin family, the Bitcoin bunch, whatever you want to call them. In 2017, they sold everything and put it all into Bitcoin when it was under $1,000. CNBC.com tech reporter Mackenzie Sigalos is here with more. She's got an update on the family and how they've been doing since traveling the globe, Mackenzie.
Hey, Kelly. Yes, they have been. I first met Didi Taihutu, his wife, and 3 daughters 4 years ago when they had just sold their house, their business, their shoes in order to make this massive bet on Bitcoin. And remember, back then, the cryptocurrency didn't have the same level of mainstream adoption and institutional backing that it does now. And even when the crypto winter hit in 2018, wiping out a good portion of their life savings, they doubled down, buying even more Bitcoin and diversifying into other cryptocurrencies. Now, we don't know exactly how much they've put in, but at least a couple $100,000 at the start, and it's appreciated more than 5,000% since then. So it's certainly enough to travel the world, and that is definitely what they've been doing for the past 4 years. They've lived in or visited 40 different countries since I first met them.
I guess my questions are sort of how are they monetizing this? There's a lot of yield plays you can do with Bitcoin, but people don't always trust all of these different platforms, and they have, I presume they don't want to sell it, all of it, but they can kind of sell as they go. And then the security issue. So for the Bitcoin that they do have, you know, the storage, the access, again, going back to this platform and the trustworthiness issue, it must be a lot to deal with.
Yeah, no, on your first point, they're big believers in spending the Bitcoin and just, you know, making sure that they're a part of this Bitcoin economy and really using it for that cryptocurrency use case. So for them, it's not as much of a profit play. And in terms of the storage side of it, the family is a big believer in cutting out any sort of middleman. So what they've done is they've taken 74% of their crypto portfolio, specifically their Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and they've put it into cold storage. And what that means is that they've put their crypto on these thumb drive sized hardware wallets that aren't connected to the internet. And they've hidden them on 4 different continents in 6 different places as a way to safeguard their virtual coins from hackers.
And even though this sounds like the stuff of a movie, Mackenzie, a lot of people who want to own their keys to their coins, so to speak, have to do the same kind of thing, right? I mean, it's not that far-fetched to say that you need to store that password or that, you know, in different places, because if it's just sitting there in your house and someone grabs it, they could theoretically get your Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly. And that's why, you know, companies like Square and Jack Dorsey are working to create their own hardware wallet options that are more accessible, because I think a lot of people are afraid to custody their own Bitcoin because that's a huge responsibility.
All right. So speaking of Bitcoin, Mackenzie, while you're here, we also have this other issue going on with just what exactly the mining profitability share is becoming. Talk through the early stages of what we're learning about how this change is affecting Bitcoin mining right now.
Yeah, so about every 2 weeks, like clockwork, Bitcoin resets how tough it is for miners to mine. And early this morning, the Bitcoin code automatically made it about 7.3% more difficult to do the job of mining. And the reason that this happened is that some of the miners that used to be in China before the crypto crackdown are now finding new homes elsewhere. Remember, we lost more than half of all miners this spring, which meant that for a few months, it was a lot less competitive and more profitable for everyone who was still plugged into the network. But unsurprisingly, miners are coming back online and things are getting more competitive and less lucrative.
Yeah, and a lot of people sort of following the blockchain saying all of these have been stress test-like events that it's been able to kind of digest and still keep chugging along. Mackenzie, we really appreciate it. Great reporting, and thanks for joining us with all of it. Mackenzie Sigalos. And for more on both of her stories, head over.
There you go. So what do you make of that? I mean, this is why I've got my my wallet ready to go. But at the moment, I can't do anything with it because it is held on Robinhood. But it's just an asset for me right now. I'm not looking at actually selling it, so it doesn't really matter. But I see it as an asset. I'm gonna sit there and hold. I feel I've not changed. Good afternoon, Alvin, over there on Bitcoin. On Bitcoin, over there on TikTok. Thanks for joining us. Come and tune in to our show live here on YouTube, and you'll see what's going on. All right, fantastic. So yeah, that's me. I am still in Disney for a long play, Martin. So let's go back to that again. Let's have a look at the news for Disney, because you're still in, and there's a lot been going on with Disney the last few days. Let's have a look. Let's bring this up. This is why I'm mentioning it. Walt Disney managed to thread the needle with its latest quarterly results. Near-term focused analysts saw an ongoing recovery at the company's theme park and movie businesses, while those looking farther ahead could point to strong streaming subscriber growth. Disney stock was up 2% on Friday afternoon to about 183, following its fiscal third quarter earnings report Thursday evening. Major indexes were trading close to break even. Disney's revenue narrowly topped analyst estimates, but earnings per share surpassed consensus by a wide margin. A smaller than expected loss at the company's all-important streaming business and a return to profitability at its parks and consumer merchandise segment after a year of losses were responsible for the beat. Disney's TV and cable networks remain the company's largest and most profitable unit, and likewise saw a reopening boost in the period, which corresponds to the calendar second quarter. Good evening, Alicia. How are you? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Smash the like button. Mr. Love always loves it. Don't forget, it's very important to the growth of our channel. We got a record today, by the way. Did you see that? We had 17. Yah Whaler over there on TikTok. Hello, how are you? Come and join us here on the Day Trader, live on YouTube. The link's in the profile. The story of F3Q earnings is really at the parks. Experiences and products. Let me get that out of the way. Product segment, wrote Morgan Stanley analyst Benjamin Swinburne on Friday. F3Q parks and experience segment revenues were roughly 2/3 of F3Q19 levels, despite still operating at all its parks and hotels at capacity limitations, without the benefit of international visitors and no contribution from cruise business. While the Delta variant represents near-term, and it is near-term risk, a strong U.S. consumer is expected to last into 2022, and Disney's strength in IP and investment in tech at parks reinforce our confidence in this important earnings driver. Good evening as well to you, Alicia and Patricia, our friends from Italy who join us every day. They like to be part of it. Unfortunately, they can't trade with Robinhood, as you know. They're not able to get it, but Robinhood are working on that. Kaylee Munns, is it Kaylee? How are you on TikTok? Come and join us. We're live on YouTube. This is the backside of me right now. The link's in the profile. Come and join us. All right. Lovely to see you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. All right. Let's go back to the portfolio and see what's going on. See, we're still down. I'm holding my position of Bitcoin. I'm holding my position of Oatly until Monday. Monday, let's make some decisions. Monday, pre-hours is the earnings report. So it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens. Oatly's got some more buying coming in. That's nice to see. That's nice to see. A bit of volume there. See that, look? That's Oatly. So it's a good opportunity now. That shows people want to invest in it at these levels. So let's hold on. Let's hold on. I think I'm doing the right thing. Robinhood up to date 5%. Ocugen's had a bit of a rough day, but that's a long-term play. And Bitcoin has just had a bit of a surge in the last few minutes. We've just been talking it down, and look what happens. These are the things that happen. Let's see if we can find some more Bitcoin news, because I am interested in that. What's this one got to say for itself? How to mine crypto like Bitcoin, Ether, and Doge. I was doing some mining myself a few weeks ago. I had a little go at it. I was a Bitcoin miner for a day in my studio here, and it was quite an eventful day. But yeah, I did it for like 3 days, and I made about 50 cents. I wouldn't recommend doing it. It wasn't viable for me. But there you go. How to mine cryptos like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, your complete guide to getting set up and earning profits. Yeah. Let's have a look at it. Let's see what it says. Crypto mining is seeing a surge in interest as people scramble to participate in the market. Yeah. I bet it is. I tried it. It didn't make any sense to me. Mining is key to maintaining the blockchains that recovered transactions. That's another thing as well. Watch Bitcoin go up when we near the 21 million, which is about 2 years away. That's another thing as well. Technically, it's Hong Kong. Make a play at close to NTS. Wish me luck. Making a play at close for NTES. Wish me luck. Earning report after close. Technically, it's Hong Kong. Okay. Let's have a look. And hello to all investors, Patricia says. All right, let's have a look at that. NTES for Jonathan. Let's have a look. See if we can get it. I don't think we can on Robinhood. Let me just type it in. NTES. NetEase. Is that the one you're looking at? NetEase. Whoops. Is this one? Is this the one? Is this the one you're looking at? So, it's got analysts. The analysts love it. 89%. Expected August. Is this the one you mean? Because they're saying actual expected August 19th. Is this the one you're talking about? Because this one is a little way off. Taya, good afternoon, Taya, over there on TikTok. Come and join us here on YouTube. If you want to see what we're doing, please come on over. The link is in the profile. CRPA. Yeah, earnings was this morning. All right. CRPA. That's what you're exiting, is it? CRPA. And that one I can't get hold of. So there we go. Well, we do wish you luck. We do absolutely wish you luck, Jonathan. I'm not seeing Kenneth Brunkin this afternoon, so it'll be interesting to see what his score is if he comes in at the last minute. Yeah, sorry about that, Jonathan. We can't share that with everybody. We only cover what we can see on Robinhood. Tesla's pretty flat. Apple, okay day, and Virgin Galactic started to see a bit of a rally, which gave me some encouragement, and then it dropped off. Look for some Wick Bucks. Oh, Quick Bucks. You guys don't make it easy for me. You guys don't make it easy for me at all. Right, Microsoft is up. That's good. Been a good day for Microsoft. Carnival, just nothing much to say about it. Builder, across the board. Next week will be an interesting week, I think, especially for Oatly in the morning on Monday morning. Please do join me for that. It could be... It's been a horrible day. Oh dear. I'm right with you there. It's been a strange day. I've had a lot going on here. Got flipping... Since I came to America, I get sinus problems now. Never got it in England. Windows open all the time. Fresh air by the beach. Now I've got sinus issues all the time. So it's a bit frustrating. But there you go. Never mind. It is what it is, I guess. It's the bell. Absolutely. Let's ring that bell. Now we go into the after hours. And let's see what happens. We go into the after hours now, and we will see what happens. This could be interesting. Right, let's keep an eye. Flat day for me. Down 0.2. Well, you've done better than me. Oh, hang on. No, I've done better than you. I'm down 0.05. Been a completely flat day. To emphasize the point, been a very, very flat day for me. Where is Jonathan? And of course, Kenneth is not in. Kenneth isn't reporting yet. So I'll be interested to see where he comes in. Right, let's keep an eye. Down 0.13. Hang on a minute. Does that mean... Oh, no. That means I'm flat on the day. That means I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Well, Kenneth's not here. So, am I the winner? End of the week? Yes! I think I'll have a beer on that. There you go. Nyla, good afternoon. Welcome, Nyla. Thank you very much for being here. Come and join us on YouTube. That's where the action is. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm getting a spike. Oh yeah, I'm up 0.1. Congratulations. Yeah, oh, look at this. Something is exploding. Whoa, look at that. Something on my portfolio has exploded to the right. See that? Is that Bitcoin? Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, Jonathan. Just what you were telling me to sell a minute ago. Oh, my God. Look at that. We've just shot up to 47.5. Look at that, Jonathan. If I'd have sold... Lady525, good afternoon. We're live on YouTube. Come and join us. You're just catching the back of my head, but I am actually here. I wave my arms in the air. That's why we have that camera going up and down. This is what they're all watching on TikTok, everybody. Oh, there's Bo as well. Bo, B431, 4321, 4321. That sounds like a song. 5, 4, 3, 2. Speechless. See? Long-term investment here. Should never say that. Next minute it'll go down again. I'm going to watch it go all the way to 100. There you go, speechless. Didn't you just sell your Bitcoin because you had a bad feeling? Oh, yeah, but what does this mean? What do you mean, what does it mean? It means my portfolio's up. That's what it means. That's enough for me. What does it mean? I have no idea what it means. Let me see Oatly. Bit of buying, bit of selling. Nothing much to say. Yeah, I sold it all. Did you make any money? Of course you did. You wouldn't have sold it otherwise. Dunhill. Hello, Dunhill. How are you? Over there on TikTok. It could be the high before the crash. Yeah, it could be. It could be the high before the crash, and then you'll be consoling me, right? The congratulations will go into commiserations. Yeah, I made some money. There you're good. Of course you did. You wouldn't have sold it otherwise, would you? What's the point? Look at that. That's quite a jump, isn't it? If we look at that on the week. But over the week, look, nothing particularly special. It's just when you catch it live. That's the thing with Bitcoin, because it trades live all the time. You notice these big jumps. Hello, XX, my wife left me. I'm sorry to hear that. Over there on TikTok. Don't lose any sleep over it. I won't. What the heck is going on? Are you watching it? Yeah, I'm watching it. Damn right I'm watching it. Yeah, look at that. 47.6. That's a hell of a surge. You either believe in it long term or you don't. And I do. And that's it. So I don't know. What the heck is going on? Jonathan. Little dip there. Let's keep an eye. I want to see if Oatly had a... Because remember, their earnings report comes on Monday morning. So a little bit more buying. A little bit more buying in the after hours. Look, if I just zoom in because you can't see it from there. A little bit of buying going on. I'd sell now. Thank you, Jonathan. What is going on is Friday the 13th. It's making a head and shoulders. Now, I don't do those patterns. I know everybody talks about that. Bitcoin does not know. Hello, He Nami over there on TikTok. Why do people use such funny names on TikTok? I never know. I like it on here that you guys are actually yourselves. Never understand it. It makes it so difficult to talk to people. I'm Martyn Lucas. That's my name. Jonathan Brunette. Martin Redding. Patricia. Be yourself. Use your own name. So confusing me. Jacob over there on TikTok. Come join us here on YouTube. Links in the profile. I don't believe in those patterns. I remember a few weeks ago it was death crosses, golden crosses. I mean, if you go outside and look in the clouds, you can see a face, you can see a squirrel and say it's a squirrel pattern. It's about to rain. I mean, the sky doesn't know it looks like a squirrel. TikTok is for naughty people. Jonathan on YouTube says TikTok is for naughty people. Yeah, just use your name. Reese, hello Reese, over there on TikTok. Lovely to have you with me. Come and join us here live on YouTube. Links in the profile. Well, let's see. You said that it's doing a head and shoulders, so you're expecting to see it come down now. Well, let's see what happens in the next few moments then, shall we? Okay, so we've had the shoulder, the head, and now we're going to see that drop down to a shoulder, are we? The assets, stock, don't know that they have pretty patterns on a screen. They don't. They have no idea. The stock doesn't know you own it. My name is on there. My name on there is Big Hairy Uncle. No, I'm kidding. T Merryweather. Hello, T Merryweather over there on TikTok. How are you? So we're going to watch Bitcoin for a minute, and we're going to see this head and shoulders pattern that everyone talks about. Jonathan just called it. Let's see. If it goes up again, then the head and shoulders, we throw it to the bin. Because in a minute, someone's going to say, it's about to reach a death cross. It's about to hit a flipping, God knows what else. Fat Boy. Hello, Fat Boy over there on TikTok. Come and join us here on YouTube. Links in the profile. See on that little screen right in front of my, just behind me? There's a little screen telling you what to do. Brad Smith as well. Brad Smith, 235-2395. Hello there. Over there on TikTok. Nice to have you with me. Come and join us. All right. We're watching Bitcoin to see what it does. It's giving us the finger. Oh, dear. You've just got... The way I trade is... I look to the future, believe in certain things, and that's it. That's it. It's simple, really. I invest what I don't need to grab hold of today, and that's how I do it. Well, it's worked for me so far, but let's see if it continues to do so. All right. Bit more selling, a bit more buying as well. Just came in there with Oatly. Look at that. After hours. Thank you. Hood trading down now. Oxygen trading sideways. Bitcoin, well, is it a head and shoulders? A really, really wide shoulders? We thought it was doing a head and it's going to go down again. At least we have some action. Yes, we do. We have some action, all right. At my expense. I'm glad you find it entertaining watching to see if I'm going to go bankrupt and lose my house. Oh dear. No, that's not going to happen. Paid me house off quite a while ago. So that's the thing, isn't it? Pay your house. The first thing you do is pay your credit cards off. Highest interest rates. Then you pay your car loan off, 2, 3, 4%. Then you pay your mortgage off. AV_AF. How are you? Welcome to TikTok. Come and join me on YouTube. And then you invest what you've earned and you can afford to leave for a while. And then you pick stocks that you think will grow long term and fundamentally are good. And then have a diverse portfolio. So if one thing crashed, everything wouldn't crash. And just take it, the losses with the profits. That's how it works, right? So that's what we're looking at here today. Go on. Let's have a nice big upward movement. Let's go to 50,000 live on the show right now. Just so we can put this flipping head and shoulders. Whoop. Here we go. It's going again. Now, of course, you're going to tell me that this was really broad shoulders, and now we're going to do a head. We can go on forever like that, can't we? If you look at over here, look, was that a head and shoulders? This is the shoulder, and now here's the head, and it doesn't make any sense, does it? Oh dear. So we're up 3% in the last hour. Oh, it's going again. It's going again, Jonathan. At least we have some action. That's what he's telling us. 47. All right. I'm just under $40 away from $3,000 profit. No Hemirako over there on TikTok. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come and join us here live on YouTube. The link is in the profile. See that little sign on the screen? My little laptop thing sat there going, click on YouTube. Worldwide 334, welcome to TikTok. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come and join us. User 510, welcome. And Kangi Young, hello, welcome to you as well. And Love to Dance, welcome, welcome to all of you. We're live on YouTube. See how it says live on YouTube, link in profile. We're trading live with Bitcoin. Come and join us. And you can see what we're doing here. All right, we've got some new people coming in. Click subscribe and ring the bell. And once you're here as well, of course, give us a thumbs up. If you give us a thumbs up, that helps drive the video. Aaron over there as well. Hi, boss. Worldwide, how you doing? Nice to see you. One of my friends, how are you on TikTok? Come over and join us over on YouTube worldwide. The link's in my profile. Just swipe to the right or swipe to the left, whichever way you do it. And then there's a link. Just click on it and you'll be in our YouTube show straight away. And go to the live video. Easy. And we're live right now. Live on YouTube. Thank you. You're very, very welcome. There you go. You click on the YouTube link and scroll down and you'll see we're live right now. Brilliant, isn't it? We made it easy for you. Let's see if he comes on in and says hello to us. Martin, I would love to say something about the head, but... say what you like, Martin. Say what you like. Worldwide 334 says hi, boss. Right, so Lyrical Picasso just joined us. Menglish 1986 over there on TikTok. How you doing? Come and join us here on YouTube. We're trading live now on Bitcoin and all our shares and portfolio. We're up 50 now, 121. Remember, 52,000 was our peak. Brian Costello, good afternoon to you. Welcome, Sidemen. Good afternoon to you as well. Click on the link in the profile and join us on YouTube. And just scroll to the right and you'll see us live here. The link's in the profile. Martin said, I would love to say something about the head, but that's all right. Guys, just arrived. The pizza, all very nice. You got pizza, Italian pizza from Alicia in Italy. Very, very nice. Let's blow the horn. Hello, Surrey. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're live on YouTube right now. Click on the link in the profile. Let's have a look at Disney. Oh, that's not Disney. Let's scroll across the portfolio. Apple trading sideways. Space, Virgin Galactic just dipping down. Microsoft still up. Carnival trading sideways. Rolls-Royce trading sideways. Builder sideways. Oatly trading sideways. No action now. Getting no action. The last action was a slight buy-in, as you can see there. Thank you very much. You are very welcome. Alicia's got the pizza. Hood trading sideways. Ocugen still down. Long-term investment. Bitcoin. Some head and shoulders this is. Absolutely very nice. Do you want just a little more? Yes, please. Yeah. Cody Westside. Good afternoon, Cody Westside over there on TikTok. How are you? Nice to see you. Bon appetit. Thank you very much. Just coming to the end of the show. Let's see if we can get 10 likes in the live show. That would be good. It's because Kenneth Brunk's not here. That's what it is. Kenneth Brunk's not here. And our friends from Turkey and Dubai. I tell you why. It's very late. It's be early hours of the morning. Thank you, Jonathan. Thanks, Jonathan. Very kind. Yeah, we got a great team, haven't we? Jonathan got out of Bitcoin. How do you feel now, Jonathan? You got out of Bitcoin. Do you still feel good about that decision? I hope you do, because, you know, you believe what you believe. Juan Seville. Hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're live on YouTube right now. Come and see us. I'll give you a wave. There you go. You're on TikTok watching me. Come and join us. The link's in the profile over there on... just scroll to the right and click on it. Sleep well. We'll see you Monday. Thanks, Jonathan. We'll see you Monday. Are you off, Jonathan? So I've won today then, have I? Have I won today? Looks like it. I'm up 0.25%. So I'm going to give the prize to me. I am the winner on a Friday. Yes, going into the weekend. Hamzaz Shad, hello there, over there on TikTok. Come and join us here on YouTube. Links in the profile. Sleep well. Thank you ever so much indeed, Jonathan. Have a good night. See you on Monday. Let's see what happens with Oatly and see if my Bitcoin stayed up, because Jonathan thinks. Aidan Smith, hello, good afternoon to you. Click on the link in the profile and join us on YouTube. That's where we're trading live every morning and every evening. And we're watching Bitcoin to see what it's going to do. And we're at 47.5. I'm now just short of $3,000. Wait for a virtual pizza party. Oh, wait for a virtual pizza, Martin. Thank you very much. Oh, dear, dear. Wonderful stuff. You've just joined us. Thank you ever so much. Click subscribe and ring the bell. But more importantly than any of that, give us a thumbs up. It shows you like the video, and YouTube will show more people. And Jordan, hello, Jordan. Thanks for joining us on TikTok. Come over to YouTube. We're trading live. You can see us on the big screens, what we're trading. And you can see what we're doing right now. I wonder if I make this full screen, it'll be easier. Yes, that's a bit easier, but now I can't see the comments, can I? Can't see the comments. Ah, pop out chat. Ah, I can pop out the chat. I didn't know I could pop out the chat. I like popping out the chat. I can pop out the chat, everybody. Did you know I could pop out the chat? I bet you didn't know that, did you? I can pop out the chat. Reminds me of Ricky Gervais. It's pinging its way up the tube. It's pinging its way up the tube. Ping pong, it's pinging its way up the tube. Does anybody remember that? That was from Carl Pilkington. Ping pong, it's pinging its way up the tube. It's pinging its way up the tube. It's pinging its way up the tube. Bing bong, it's pinging its way up the tube. Oh dear. All right. Fantastic. So let's. I thought that was funny anyway. Even if nobody else did, I thought it was funny. Taken's back. Hello there. Join us over here on YouTube. Right. There we go. Bitcoin is holding. You either believe in it or you don't. 50,107. My Oatly is doing nothing now. No action. Ahmed 992. Hey, what was that? It was Ricky Gervais. Ricky Gervais. Ricky Gervais does it to Carl Pilkington. When Carl Pilkington vacuumed up some Tic Tacs, he said, "It's pinging its way up the tube. It's pinging its way up the tube. Bing bong, ping pong. It's pinging its way up the tube." I know. I know it's ridiculous. I know it's ridiculous, but it is what it is, right? Oh, dear me. Right. Well, we're coming to the end of our show. Sadly, we didn't get Kenneth Brunk come in today. I hope he's okay. Let's send all our love to Kenneth Brunk. If you're watching this back on the replay, Kenneth, all our crowd, everyone say hello to Kenneth so we can watch it back and see that he was missed. Blaze Fung, hello Blaze Fung over there on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. Links in the profile. Okay, great. Jonathan Brunette. Hang on, what's he got here? Opening a new tab. Opening a new tab. Opening. Oh, hang on, he's got something. This could be interesting. There, let's have a look. Let me stick it in the stick it in there. Oh, he's found it. Hang on, here we go.
It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding dong, bing bong. It's tinging its way up the tube.
Oh, we got to hear that again.
It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding dong, bing bong. It's tinging its way up the tube.
Oh, that was great. Thank you very, very much for that bit of entertainment. Kekadams over there on TikTok. Thanks for joining us. Brilliant. Oh, that was so funny. How funny was that? That's made my day. I got to be honest. That's made my day. That's really, really funny. Diggler2323 likes it over there on TikTok. Come and join us here on YouTube. Oh my God, yeah, we're getting fun. Do you know what? Do you know what? I'm gonna watch it again because it was just too funny. You ready? Ding dong, ding
It's tinging
dong.
its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding dong, bing bong. It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Ding dong, bing bong. It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube.
All right, okay, we've heard it enough now. That was brilliant. Thank you very much for that. Loved it. Tic Tacs. Oh, too much. There we go. They're all loving it. They're all loving it. Does everyone give us a like for that then? Everyone give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell. You better have, because we worked hard on that one. Diggler2323, hello over there on TikTok. Come and join us. Absolutely brilliant. Really appreciate you very, very much indeed. We're having a lot of fun. Join us on YouTube. Links in the profile, as you can see. Right, the end of a day, end of a week. Tic Tac, love them. Absolutely marvellous. Right, that's the end of the show. What a week it's been. Monday morning is very, very important. We've got some big earning reports next week, as you know. We've got Hood on the 18th. We've got Oatly on the 13th. It's a big week for earnings report. Particularly for my Oatly. I have $1,000 in it and I don't want to lose it. It's dangerous. Laugh while you're eating pizza. Yeah, it is. You'll cough yourself. So if everyone in the live chat can give us a final thought just before we go. Dunhill, hello, Dunhill, over there on TikTok. Come and join us on. Come and join us over here on YouTube. The links in the profile. All right, that's it. It's been a fantastic week. Thank you ever so much, everybody who joined in. Really do appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed this week. It's been a tough week, but we've had a lot going on. That's it from me. All right, it just leaves me to say thanks once again, everybody. And there we go. I won the final day My very first win. I'll take it. I will take it. So thank you very much for that. But that's it from me. So God bless America. Oh, Bitcoin Renegade has just joined us over there on TikTok. We're just on YouTube finishing our live show. So there we go. God bless America. God save the Queen. See you all back on Monday. Jonathan, have a nice weekend. Take care of yourselves and each other.